Right. All right. Looks like everything is okay. Let's get into the live stream. Sorry, I'm late a little bit. Welcome everyone. We're 30 minutes late. I did not get to come here earlier, but I didn't want to cancel the session. So let's talk about GBP first. This one, I wanted to put a pending order yesterday. Actually, I did put a pending order yesterday on this stop loss above here, and then middle of the session after this bearish move coming below the MAs, I actually deleted my pending order and entered manually with the stop loss above here, which got stopped out in Asian session, and currently it's way above what I saw. I don't think it's gonna move that way for now. I mean the sell, so analysis is invalid. And let's go over the rest. Oh, I forgot to add the link here. So if you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome. Second of all, please subscribe to the channel. We're live every day, 9 a.m. Not like today. So let's go over the rest of the pairs. I'm looking at Euro Canadian to start. I can definitely see how they work the high and then coming below DMA on 3 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes cross. That's just confirms that price coming to daily moving averages down here. So we're gonna leave them alone. I just came today to show up, and if we find a setup, we'll take it. If not, I'm just gonna close the session. But the whole goal is to show up and find out what we can do. I'm looking at GBP Canadian. I do like the everything about it other than the no candle confirmation or not really clear rejection. Otherwise, it's not that bad for a buy. Just no momentum there, If the momentum was there, would have been great. But the stop loss is pretty tight, to be honest. In that case, the stop loss is about 30 pips. If it doesn't wanna. Well, I do see a bearish engulfing 3 hour coming to DMA. But overall direction is macro is bullish. So anything bearish I say when daily is bullish, meaning price coming back to DMA to me. It does look good, honestly. Let's go to lower time frame a little bit and see. It's pretty bearish momentum in lower time frame, like on 15 minutes and stuff. Let's quickly go over the rest, and then we'll see if we wanna. Let's first find high quality setups. Euro NZD, nothing really way above or below. I shouldn't have closed my NZD USD, that's for sure. In looking at UJ, to extend it. Yesterday I talked about not buying it because of a sudden drop that can happen. You can see it actually happened. Same actually applies today to be honest with you. It can drop to the DMA on daily. That would be about 70-80 pips of drop, which is a ADR for UJ, you know. Not really nothing there. GJ and bearish. I do like the lower time frame, but the higher time frame, like I mean daily, nah. No thanks. Talk about you. Nothing on your JPY either. AUD USD finally falling to yesterday we could have entered. I'm probably gonna start taking these type of trades from daily to the yearly moving average. I'm pretty good at calling it, so why not taking it, you know? Well, next situation. GPAUD pretty much following to the yearly moving average. Now that you see, just trying to teach myself here. Looking at correlation with AUD USD, Euro AUD, and GP AUD. I don't blame myself taking the GP AUD because the only one that was looking like a sell was AUD USD. The rest are giving different confirmation. But it is already moving, so no entry here. You could have get in yesterday, could have been up 70 pips, and the stop would have been 40 pips. So 1 to 2 almost. That's a miss. And then let's go to gold. Yesterday's gold did drop about 87 something pips. Nothing really on gold, to be honest with you. I'm not doing anything on it. If I had to, I would say it's gonna come back up to this level, 4,200. It's some consolidation in some way. USD CHF. Definitely a nice Tuesday reversal. Looks like it's happening. GP USD. Nothing to trade for me. It's 1 Euro USD at least gaining a bit of momentum compared to GU. 30 minutes came to level, hit that up. Nice touch the level, pretty extended. Look at that. They broke this high too. 1.42. I mean, we can see a Tuesday reversal happening today for sure. I can see it in multiple pairs. That it's a possible Tuesday reversal. Let's see. So if it's 14200 would be around the stop loss if it wanna do the Tuesday reversal above that level. I mean, we did lose we didn't lose, we did miss the buy here. Definitely don't want that to happen. Let's take a look at lower time frame and see what's up. I really like how the levels is being respected. You have to definitely be based on your trading plan if you want to take it. This is not really my trading plan type of thing. So I'm watching you get to see if I want to do something with it. We can take a look at the rest real quick too. Nothing on silver. Bitcoin, bearish, bearish Bitcoin to the level, drop the whole Asian session looks like, sorry, the London session, currently at level, broke the low too. I would say it's still bearish. And looking at US30, it is at daily DMA. We did not take this trade. I did take a pending order on US32. And let me show you. I did take a US30 trade pending order on the level above it, and it's already stopped out. So I had two stopped out order yesterday. One of them was kind of a pending order that got activated. One was a pending order that I closed. So one of them was a pending order that I closed. One of them was a pending order that I changed and entered manually. And yeah, so we'll see what's gonna happen. In my opinion, the only trades that really looks okay is US30 still for a bullish move. I just entered on it. The stop loss below this level, 51 300 around there. And for the US dollar Canadian also, it's a good Tuesday reversal. Probably entering right away. Second. Alright, cool. So we'll continue watching UCAD and US30 for today's session. Hi Crystal. Yeah, I was late. My wife kind of felt that I need more sleep, so she kind of canceled my alarm. And then my muscle memory woke up. And it was a little late. Didn't want to cancel it, so I just arrived 9:30. I'm in the session for like 10 minutes. I decided not to waste any time telling you guys that I'm gonna be late or something. It just drove so crazy to here. So just to update you, Krista, if you just got here, I don't have much setup. US dollar Canadian sell from the level for the Tuesday reversal looks good to the DMA on 3-hour and daily. This is something I was watching. And US30, I had a pending order yesterday here, activated it, went to bit of profit, stopped out. The whole process, I wasn't even looking at it. I just woke up today to see that my pending was activated, stopped out, and price is here. I believe I can fly. He can fly. And the US CAD to kind of drop. We'll see what happens. Just checking one thing out. Let's put this on 1 hour. I wanted to see the reaction or behavior of. I want to compare the behavior of UCAD and US30. So usually when I want to do that, I just kind of put them above same time frame and make sure this session changeover lines are aligned together, right? Mostly. So this would be the best scenario. So right now you can see how they have a correlation together or not. So you can see rise of the UCAD, you see? Rise of UCAD was followed by a sell on US30. So they kind of can go against each other. So if this push up, this can drop, right? That's how you can kind of see the correlation. The US30 is like kind of mother of USDs. It will affect all the US dollars. And this is sometimes I do it, not all the time. It's just, instead of adding indicators to kind of get confluences or draw anything to see more confluences, I try correlation confluences, stuff like that. I think it's a little better. All right, and lastly, let's take a look at oil. Better not to take a look at oil because I changed the whole setting. Let's do it. For the oil, 2 yearly moving average, and I think we're gonna seek some sort of consolidation here, or maybe drop to fill this gap to 60 something, below $70. It can drop to below $70. I'll set this back to the US30 here on 30 minutes. All right, great. So far, momentum with us. Sorry, lots of things is not ready on my desktop because I tried to show off as fast as I could. Oh, it sounds like this would be fine. Yes, we are good. Two loss for the week. Thank God I'm still up for the month, but no hard feeling yet. And 7 days kind of left. This is our last week for this month. I can't believe almost the half of 2026 is finished. That goes so fast. And our trade's going faster. Let's kill some terrorists. Fix this for quite some time. It's ready. So, nice push to the US30 and UK. I love UK. See yesterday, perfect touch to the level, coming back now. Asian session consolidation, textbook coming back to the level, hit the high one more time on Tuesday. I don't know how many session I have about Tuesday reversal. I swear to God. I feel like somebody's gonna come from here. Ouch. It's a bot. Whew, look at that US30. One of those days. As my friend says, finally. Let me run away and watch my trade. Can somebody come here? I'm really feeling like knifing someone. Nobody? Okay, I'm coming. Should have been patient. Oh, this guy's crazy. Ooh, look at those trades. Kill me all you want. I don't care. You know what? I want good knife all the way. I don't care. Kill me how many times to what? Yes. 590B knifed. Don't act tough. J is wagon. Looking at charts, it's coming. I don't think it's gonna stay there. Don't fall for it. Ouch. Jeez. I'm gonna go back and check the charts in 5 minutes. Ow, I made $1.70. Don't like that week. Don't like the week. It's good, at least we killed someone. see if 15 minutes gonna hold. I don't think so. I gotta get out of there before they plug my stream. The community of CS2 is pretty aggressive. You don't want to listen to them. Alright, I'm gonna change this to normal human being. Let's take a look at it. Right, I'm gonna do take this off. So let's do this. I'm gonna clean it up. Second, just take a look at it. Honestly, it looks good to me still. Maybe not US30 that crazy good in lower time frame, but definitely you can look something. Even 30 minutes. I wish it didn't cross down. It'd be more comfortable. But let's see. So quickly going here. So basically we're gonna do red lights and green lights, and the red light would be all conditions on all time frames not match, and green light will be all time frame match. So right now this is green, this is green. Red, this one's red, this one red, bearish, pretty nice, actually. Okay. GPAUD turning to red. Oh, please, come, don't do this. So, stay on red. U2, U3, 4. Now looking good, but I know it become. I'm gonna remove silver because we don't trade it. Bitcoin, Ripple, I'll put U2 at the end of the list, as well as oil. US30. Well, I'm gonna rethink this green red, but for now I'm gonna keep it like that. The thing is, if I want to have the red light, then most of the time I enter, there is one condition or another in a lower time frame that is not match. Maybe we can do the 3 time frame would be better. Like 1 hour, 30, 3 hour, 4 hour. Sorry, daily. Let's see. That is pretty much it, guys, for today. I really wanna stay in the stream, but I got stuff to do. Let's see. I will see if I can stay a little longer and open the store a bit later. Okay, we can say a little bit more. I really wanna see something happen in live either, even if it's stopped out or just a straight up push. I wanna see it. So yeah, let me redo this because that way we're gonna have a little bit of problem. But we're gonna do the main 3 time frame. The daily 3 hour and 1 hour. If it's one direction, we keep it on green light. If it's different direction, we're gonna put them on the red light. Okay, I believe that's the way that we can actually filter it a little bit easier. Because in the yellow, red, green stuff, we really need to swing it. And if we want to swing it, then you gotta give me a minute. Alright, sorry guys. If I wouldn't take the call, it would continue ringing until you all leave the chat. So yeah, like right now this can go up. Oh no, up. Okay, this can go up. Yeah, I like this. Oh, almost there. And keep it here. No. Yes. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Put you up to just crossed up on all. And this also all bearish. We don't like this. Euro GBP, Euro USD and GBP USD need a little time. Okay, that makes more sense. List now is cut in half. Green light, red light. In green lights, the situations are more in favor, and the red lights better to wait. And currently we are in US dollar, Canadian, and US30. Buy on US30 and sell on US CAD. Let me see. Oh, that's I was watching the recording and I was like, why am I speaking like that? The S sounds funny, like I'm mispronouncing it. But I just realized that I have some sort of filter in the microphone. I removed it. I was like, since when I talk like this? Alright, things are going on. Okay, cool. This bad boy here. I think if US30 actually turned to be like actually starts to push, I believe we're gonna see a nice push, probably up to 52,500. A clean ass push. That's what usually US30 does. And I do like everything on daily momentum, bullish engulfing, hitting the level. I was early a day looks like. Hopefully not more than a day. But yeah, looks okay. So let's put that back on. Also watching in 1 hour. It's much more peaceful. Even if, as I was talking about the correlation, you can see right here, drop, rise, drop, rise, and we talked about this one too, drop and rise. So maybe let's put this one on US30 and this one on CAN. So as this drop, this goes up. Stupid. Okay. Looks like we can go back to our game. Yes. Want to see you cat a little better. Let's do this. What the hell was that? Why is so many bots? I do like the rise of US30, but not the cat. Ouch. Oh, third. Nice. US30 rising nicely. UCAT does not look nice. Nice. Let's go, US30. Let's go. Jeez. Noise. Oh, this guy with the profile picture of Doom is so good. I'm gonna keep killing us today. Ouch. USD CAD breaking the GPG levels. Does not look okay. US30 looking nice. Looking nicey. Yeah, flows. This guy is really good. And I just killed him. Ouch. Don't run, you cat. Looks like somebody saved me. Let's see what's up there. Why? To insult people. Because his third is mad. Come on, bro. Take the loss. Be the boss. actually. Ouch. I had no idea what could have done. He's so pissed. Why someone is so pissed? I hate this one. I hate this gun. What? The guy is over there. Ouch. Look at US30. Jeez. Oh, it was behind me. That's crazy. Some of them are so good. Ouch. You can't even do anything to them. How is this so good? Thank you. Worst casts. Ouch. That was painful. I literally felt the pain somewhere. Wrong time to change the gun. Wait. Man. Let's go check the chat, the charts. You got honestly can't really say anything about it. Candle's not closing early in 30 minutes. Oh, you have the 30 minutes down there. does not look good. Lesson for me not to get in a situation like that. I didn't even risk full amount. Risk a little bit. Because it's against the trend, you know. If I want to trade like I regularly do, then all of these sessions that we have will be super boring because I don't take trades every day. I take 2 to 3 trades a week, maybe max. But I have to make a little change. So UCAD looking not okay, but US30 looking beautiful. We're gonna continue holding the US30 as you can see in 3 hour and daily. Everything looking good. There's no reason to not hold this. And yeah, I hope you got into this one at least. And USD CAD hopefully gonna return to wavy too. Come to DMA, Baba. Thank you guys for joining. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll try to be at 9. But if I didn't make it by 9, come back 9:30. I'll get there.